Getting to root causes, cellular signaling and process pathways. Why this matters. At the heart of nearly every chronic condition, whether neurological, immunological, or metabolic, is a breakdown in cellular communication. Two of the most overlooked players in this breakdown are G proteins, the molecular switches that control how cells respond to signals, glutathione, the master antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative stress and supports detox. When these systems are depleted or dysregulated, the body struggles to detoxify properly, respond to inflammation, maintain mitochondrial energy, communicate between brain, immune, and endocrine systems, G proteins in the brain and nervous system. 1. Neurotransmitter signaling. G proteins are activated by metabotropic receptors, a type of GPCR, when neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, glutamate, or GABA bind to them. Unlike fast-acting ionotropic receptors, G protein-coupled receptors trigger slower but longer-lasting effects, ideal for mood regulation, memory formation, and hormonal signaling. Modulating ion channels. Once activated, G proteins can open or close ion channels indirectly, affecting the electrical excitability of neurons. This helps regulate synaptic strength, pain perception, and even circadian rhythms. Further, gene expression and plasticity. G proteins influence enzymes like adenylate cyclase, which produce second messengers, e.g., CAMP. These messengers activate transcription factors that alter gene expression, contributing to neuroplasticity, learning, and long-term memory. 4. Development and homeostasis. G protein signaling is involved in embryonic brain development, neuronal migration, and synapse formation. They also help maintain homeostasis by regulating hormone release, appetite, and stress responses. Drug targets and disorders. Many psychiatric and neurological drugs target GPCRs and G protein pathways. Dysregulation of G protein signaling is linked to depression, schizophrenia, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's disease. Restoring G protein signaling. Why it matters. 1. Mental health. Dysregulated G protein signaling is implicated in depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, and bipolar disorder. Targeting GPCRs like serotonin or dopamine receptors helps rebalance neurotransmitter pathways without brute force chemical flooding. Neurodegeneration. In Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, G protein pathways tied to synaptic plasticity and survival signaling are disrupted. Modulating these pathways could slow degeneration and enhance cognitive resilience. Hormonal imbalance. G proteins regulate thyroid, adrenal, and reproductive hormones. Restoring signal fidelity could help with thyroid disorders, infertility, and stress-related conditions. Immune and inflammatory disorders. G proteins influence cytokine release, immune cell migration, and inflammation resolution. Correcting misfires may reduce autoimmunity, chronic inflammation, and allergic responses. Metabolic health. G protein signaling affects insulin sensitivity, appetite regulation, and fat metabolism. Tuning these pathways could support diabetes reversal, weight regulation, and energy balance. Healing at the signal level. Instead of just treating symptoms downstream, G protein modulation offers a root cause strategy, restoring the cell's ability to interpret and respond to its environment. That's why it's a hot target in precision medicine, neuropharmacology, and regenerative therapies. G protein dysregulation may be the silent disruptors behind chronic inflammation, detox failure, and neurological strain. By restoring this pathways with targeted compounds, mushroom bioactives, collagen peptides, algae-derived DHA, and NAC plus selenium, we support the body's natural repair systems. This protocol may be the missing link in reversing damage, rebuilding resilience, and empowering families to heal from the inside out.